In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell shirts on Roblox. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto your Roblox profile and going to Create. Now you're going to click on Avatar Items and make sure t-shirts or shirts are selected. I'm going to create a t-shirt. You're going to click on Upload Asset and upload a photo, name it, and put a description for the actual t-shirt. Once that's done, click on Upload and it'll send you back to right here. Since I already have a t-shirt that's not on sale yet, I'm going to show you right now. Once you're done this, you're going to click on it and there will be an option to put it on sale. Once you click the option to put it on sale, you're going to set a price. Keep in mind that you're going to receive 70% of whatever price that you have placed. So for example, if I put 100 Robux, I'm going to receive just 70. Then you're going to save the changes and make sure that you have 10 Robux because it does cost that to actually sell t-shirts on Roblox. That's really all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.